Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Roblox. I'll make it obby again. For just last time you didn't hear me talk because my microphone was off, but this time you can hear me talk. And yeah, we're back at stage one. Actually, since we're back at stage one, I don't care. I'm not doing anything. But we're gonna go and play Guess the Sound. So it's gonna be a good video, and yeah. Yep. So you guys can hear me talk this time. I know. Please like and subscribe so we can have 100 subs before. We're gonna have 100 subs before. Yes. You guys, we're gonna have a great time today. Good. You guys got correct. People are ahead of you. So that's a snoring, guys, but no snoring sounds like that. No snoring sounds like that. If you do, you're a cat. Yo guys. So that person is the first. That's a sheep. Why is the sheep? Guys, I was last place. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna get some Robux soon. So we're gonna start buying some new stuff. On camera, guys. On camera. I'm second place. Yes, I got it correct. Guys, I'm first place. Yo, guys, I'm getting close. Yo. Oh, that's a pencil click. Guys, that's a pencil click. I'm dumb. They didn't show the sound. They didn't show the sound. Guys, I'm first place. That's not bugging me. I got it correct. That was Superman. In first place, guys. I got a car. Yo, guys, we're gonna win. And guys, by the way, I gotta go to school today, so yeah. This is gonna be it. I'm still first place. It's impossible for people to go past me unless I get it wrong. They did the same, and they did the same question. I'm gonna wonder. That one is easy. Yeah, guys, this might be last two or last. I got it. Yes. And guys, that is it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, or either, and please, and if you watch the whole thing, you can just subscribe or just like if you want to. Please help us hit 100 subs before next month. Bye.